Exceptional. A really easy check-in process and friendly staff. The room was great and I don't think I heard any other guests the entire night. Will definitely look to book again if I go through Regina again. More than expected worth for the money. Exceptional good location, friendly and helpful staff, facilities are also good. Exceptional friendly staff, clean, quiet rooms, easy to get to and good parking. Very clean and great price staff, very friendly rooms and hotel very clean, plus the complimentary breakfast was a bonus. Highly recommend A+, thank you so much for the wonderful stay. Staff is amazing. Breakfast was delicious, if I could give more stars I would. Thank you again. Amazing, just what we needed. Amazing staff and clean room and wonderful breakfast. Highly recommend. Thank you. Clean, the staff was very helpful and the room was very clean. I would go back. Great value, this Super 8 was really clean, beds were comfortable and breakfast was very good. Michelle at the front desk was very accommodating and friendly. This hotel worked very well for us. Excellent economical choice. This motel is easy to access, excellent restaurant and shopping facilities very close. The rooms are clean and quiet. The free breakfast is basic but totally adequate to give you the nutritional start for the day. We'll stay here again. Exceptional, liked. Comfy bed. MW free coffee maker. Soaps didn't like. Only decaf coffee packet. No regular. BFSD. Pretty good for COVID. Excellent choice, room was clean and big. Breakfast was great. I would stay here again. It was clean and comfortable. It was good, and easy check-in and clean. The only downside was the breakfast area is super small and limited choices for food. We had to eat in our rooms as it is so small in the common room. It's good. Had a comfortable stay there. Good for the price, incorporated awesome breakfast, good for the price, grounds outside could be cleaned up a bit, awesome breakfasts included.